Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning to all students. Okay, I will continue for the section 2. Okay, second session. I will continue for the second session. My name is Cikgu Nur El Hidayah binti Ilyas, or you can call me Cikgu El. Okay, so I will cover on the next part of probability, which is probability of combined events. Okay, for probability of combined event, you have learned in form 4. You have learned probability of combined event in form 4. Okay, before we go further for the exercise for the problem solving involve the uh, probability of combined events, let's go through the overview of this topic. Okay, so you will remember okay what are inside this topic. Okay. All right. So probability of combined event. Okay, you have learned what you have learned. You have learned about dependent events and you learned about independent event. Did you remember what is dependent events and independent events? Dependence event is where when you have two events named event A and event B. Okay, dependent events means that the first event will affect the occurrence of second events. All right. All right. For example, here you have, okay, look at this example. Okay. Choose two cards from a box that contains cards labeled with letter BAIK without replacement. Okay, without replacement. So you will choose two cards. Okay, you will choose two cards in a box which contains okay four cards. BAIK. All right. So at the first time you take the cards, there are four cards in the box. Okay. And after that, you will not replace the card into the box. So for the next event, in second events, or when you want to choose the second cards, in the box only have three cards. Okay, this means that the first event affect the second event. This one is known as dependent event. For the independent events, okay, independence event, just now is dependent event. Okay, for the independent events is where the first event does not affect the occurrence of the second events. For example, here you have a fair dice. Okay, what is fair dice? Dadu yang biasa awak guna tu lah. Okay, alright. A fair dice, okay, is rolled twice and 6 is obtained for 2 times. This means that when you throw a dice, you roll a dice for the first time, you get 6. Is it for the second event you will not get 6? No, you will you can also get uh, 6 for the second events. Okay, means that this one, when you throw a dice for the first time, okay, right, the first event you get 6, and then the second event still you can get 6 because first event does not affect the second events. This one is known as independence event. Okay, all right. Okay, and then when you learn about dependence event and independence event, okay, you go through the multiplication rule of probability. Okay, you learn about the multiplication rules of probability, which is PA intersection B, okay, is equals to PA times PB. When it involves P, okay, probability of event A and probability of event B. Means that you want to get both conditions, all right? So you will multiply the probability, event A and event B, all right? Probability A times the probability B, all right? For example here, you have a fair dice roll twice and 6 is obtained for 2 times. Okay, means that for the first time you throw the dice, you get number 6, and the second times you throw the dice, you also get 6. Okay, to get number 6, the probability to get 6 is 1 over 6. Because in a dice, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have 6 numbers. Okay, so in the dice, there are only one number 6. Number 6 ada satu sahaja. Okay, so the probability to get 6 for the first time is 1 over 6. Okay, and the second times also you will get 1 over 6. Okay, the probability to get 6 is 1 over 6. So, to get 6 for 2 times means that 6 for the first time and 6 for the second times, you multiply the probability to get 6. 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. Then you will get 1 over 36. Okay, so you should know, okay, how to get the probability. Okay, you have learned on how to get the probability in the simple probability in the first section. Okay, which is, and okay, I write here. Okay, the probability PA, for example, PA, how to get probability of event A? It is, okay, and A over and S. Okay, this one is how you get the probability. Alright, okay. Okay, now, okay, you also learn about the addition rule of probability. Okay, when it involves mutual exclusive events and non-mutual exclusive event, what is mutual exclusive event? Did you remember? Did you remember what is mutually exclusive event? Mutually exclusive event means that event A intersection event B is empty set. What does it mean? It means that there are no common, I want to write here, no common elements. Okay, no common elements for event A and event B. So there is no intersection. Okay, mutually exclusive event means that there is no intersection. Tak ada intersection. Alright. Okay, so the rule that you will use is addition rule. Okay, there are two addition rule. Okay, alright, two formula for the addition rule. Okay, this one, number 1, P union probability of A union B is equals to PA plus PB. What does it mean? Nanti kita akan cuba tengok dalam exercise. Okay, alright. And okay, this one is another formula for the addition rule. This one is for the non-mutual exclusive event. Okay, non-mutually exclusive event. Non-mutually exclusive event means that there is common element. Other common element. What is common elements? What is common elements? Okay, means that sama, yang sama. Alright, ada outcomes yang sama for event A and event B. Okay, alright. Alright, nanti kita akan tengok in exercise. Alright. Okay, the formula for the addition rule when it involves the non-mutually exclusive events is PA plus PB minus, okay, minus PA intersection B because it have common elements. Okay, kenapa kena tolak? Kenapa kena tolak? Why you have to minus PA intersection B? Because it have common element. Ada intersection. Okay. Alright. So, sekarang now kita akan cuba go one by one. Exercise in the module. Did you have this module? Okay, make sure you have this module with you. Okay, for the probability of combined events. Okay, alright. Okay, this one is question number 1. I will guide you one by one. Kalau ada masa, semua soalan cikgu akan go through with you. But kita tengok pada masa yang ada. Alright. Okay. So when you read the question, okay, practice supaya highlight the important information. Okay, and you have to identify what is it. Okay, what does the information in the statement. Okay. All right. Okay. There are 3 blue colored pencils and 2 green colored pencil in a box. Okay. All right. 2 color pencils are randomly selected one by one without replacement. Without replacement. Okay. Without replacement means that is it dependence event or independence events? Yeah, it is dependent events. Why it is dependent events? Because for the first time you want to take the pencil, the color pencil, you have 3 blue colored and 2 green colored. So you total you have 5. You have 5 colored pencil. For the first time you want to take the pencil. For the second time, okay, for the first event you have take 1 pencil, so you left 4. Okay, still have 4 colored pencil. For the second time you want to take the colored pencil. So the number of pencil, the colored pencil for the second time reduce. Okay, means that event A affect the occurrence of event B. This one is dependent event. Alright, the question asks you to write sample space. How to write the sample space? How to write the sample space for the colored pencil? You have to write in set notation and ordered pair. Kenapa ordered pair? Why you have to write in ordered pair? Because you have event 1 and event 2. Okay, alright. So before you know what are the sample space, you have to know how many sample space, how many possible outcomes for these events. Okay, so you have event 1. Event 1, how many possible outcomes? You have 3 blue colored and 2 green colored. So total you have 5 for the first time. Okay, for the first time you want to take the pencil, you have 5 colored pencil. Okay, for the second time, okay, the second time how many colored pencil you have in the box? You have 4 colored pencil. So this one, okay, you have to multiply to get the number of possible outcomes, okay, in the sample space. So 5 times 4 is 20. So what you list, okay, the sample space that you list must have all the 20 possible outcomes. Okay, how to make sure you does not left any possible outcomes. Okay, all right. This one is a tips on one tips on how you want to write the possible outcome. Okay, ataupun for the sample space. Okay, you have okay B1, B2, B3, B4 and B4. It have 3 blue colored. Okay, so B1, B2, B3. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, you have 3 blue colored. So B1 you label means that as you label the colored pencil B1, B2, B3, and then you have G1 and G2 because you have 2 green colored pencil. Okay, and you try to list out by using dengan bantuan, okay, dengan bantuan table. Okay, macam ni, macam mana nak lukis table tu. Okay, so this one is the row B1, B2, B3, G1, G2, and then you have the columns B1, B2, B3, G1, G2. Okay, so and then you make it as a table. Okay, sorry, tulisan cikgu memang tak berapa nak cantik. Okay, alright. So this one is the table on how you can okay, membantu awak. Okay, membantu awak untuk list out all the possible outcome all the 20 possible outcomes. Banyak tu, 20 tu banyak. Okay, okay. So this one is the table. Okay, when you refer back to the question, without replacement means that for the first time if you get B1, for the second time you will not get the same colored pencil. So B1 will not repeat. So kita cancel, we cancel B1, B1, B2, B2, B3, B3, G1, G1, G2, G2. We cancel this one. Alright? Okay, and then you write the combination, okay, row and columns, okay, the row and columns, you write the combination. So here will be B1, B2. This one will be what? B1, B3. Yeah. Okay. Here will be B1, G1. And here will be B1, G2. Okay. Try to complete this table by your own. Okay. Sambil-sambil cikgu lengkapkan this table. Okay. Awak juga cuba lengkapkan by your own table. Okay. So B2, B1, B3, B1, G1, G1, B1, G2, B2. B1, sorry, B1. Okay, here B3, B2. Okay, lengkapkanlah semua. Lengkapkanlah semua. Okay, so akan ada berapa possible outcomes? Okay, how many element in the sample space? 20. You will get all the 20. Okay, the possible outcomes. Okay, tapi jangan biar jawapan awak in this table. You list, okay, by using the set notation. For example, here S is equals to, okay, open the curly bracket, and then your answer is in ordered pair. Make sure in the bracket B1, B2 for the first possible outcomes, and then continue B1, B3, B1, G1, and so on. Habiskan semua. Make sure list out all the 20 possible outcomes. Okay, this one is how you solve first question. Okay. Next, I will continue for the second question. Okay, I will continue for the second question. A number is chosen at random from set S, where S, X is an integer. What is integer? Integer is whole number, either positive or negative, including 0. Okay, but here it already given the range of X. X is between 1 and 30. Is it include 1 and 30? How do you know? Is it include 1 and 30? Is based on the symbol here. Okay, based on the symbol here. It have less than X, greater than. X is greater than or equals to. Ada tanda equal means that it includes 1. And also it includes 30. So the samples, the universal set. Okay, the universal set. Okay, I write here. The universal set is 1, 2, 3. Sampailah awak kena list out semua. Kena list out semua sampailah 30. This one is the, okay, this one is the universal set. Okay, because the set S have 1 to 30. Okay. The question is calculate probability of getting multiples of 3. So you list what is multiples of 3. Okay, based on the range given. Okay, so the multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Include 30 because the symbol have sign equal. Okay. Alright. And then and. The word here and. Multiples of 12. Okay. And multiples of 12. Okay. Multiples of 12. What are the multiple of 12? Multiple of 12. So the multiple of 12 is 12 and 24 only. Okay. And okay, macam mana nak tahu? Is it intersection or union? The keyword is and. Dan. And is dan kan? So intersection. Intersection. So for the question A, multiples of 3, multiple of 3 and 12. Okay, is the common multiples of 3 and means that intersection. Okay, so intersection. Kalau nak tulis dalam bentuk set notation tu. Okay, sorry, kenapa ni? Alright, and so yang common, look at what are the common elements for multiples of 3 and multiples of 12. Okay, so the common elements is 12 and 24. But the question asks you to calculate the probability. Okay, so how to write the probability? Okay, it is NA over NS. Okay, semua sekali ada berapa? Multiples of 3 and 12? 2. Okay, this one you have 2. 1, 2. So, 2 over what? 2 over 30. Because the universal set, the number of elements in the universal set, you have from number 1 until 30. You have 30 elements. Okay? Is it the final answer for the probability? No, you have to simplify. Okay, simplify. So, you will get 1 over 15. Kalau awak tak tahu how to simplify, is it the simplest term? Okay, try to use your calculator. Okay, alright, I will take out my calculator. Okay, alright, use your calculator. Okay, so you have 2 over 30. Tekanlah, tekan 2 over 30 and then equal. Tengok calculator tu tulis apa. 1 over 15. Okay, so your answer is 1 over 15. Alright. Okay, next. Question B. Okay, next question. Calculate the probability of getting factor of 20. Factor of 20. What is factor of 20? So, you list out. Okay, cikgu tulis sebelah sini. Tapi biasakan supaya you write in the answer space. Okay. Alright. So, this one for the question B. Okay, for the question B. Factor of 20. Factor of 20. Factor of 20. What are the factor of 20? 1, 2, lagi 4, 5, 10, and 20. Okay, next. Or, the word here use or. Atau. Okay, atau. Okay, sekarang cikgu dah tunjukkan tips. Sama awak nak guna intersection or union. Okay, dan ataupun and, dan intersection. Or atau belakang dia u. Okay, so union. Alright. Okay, now factor of 8. Factor of 8. So you list out. Okay, you list out the factor of 8. Okay, the factor of 8. What are the factor of 8? Factor, factor. Bukan multiple. Okay, factor of 8. Factor of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Alright. So, and then you want to list the intersection or union? You have to list the union. Combine all the event. Campur terus semua elements. Okay. So, here factor of 20 or. So, union factor of 8. So, you combine the all elements yang ada dalam factor of 20 and factor of 8. Okay. So, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 20. So, how many elements? Okay. How many elements? NA, for example, here I write as NA lah ya. Okay. NA ataupun here NA union B. Kalau kita letakkan factor of 20 as set A and factor of 8 is set B. So, NA union B is, ada berapa elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, is it 7? Sekejap Yeah, 7. You have 7. Okay, 7. Okay, so the probability PA union B is equals to 7 over what are the total elements in this sample space? Okay, you have 30. So, 7 over 30. Okay, this is how you solve question number 2. You get it? Alright. Next, I will continue. Okay. Question number 3. Look at question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Okay, kita baca dengan hati-hati. Okay. Alright. Read carefully. Okay. 2 cards labeled with numbers 77 and 91 are put in box M. Okay, ada 2 card 77 and 91 put in box M. And 3 cards labeled RIA are put in box N. Okay. So ada berapa box? 2 box. Box M and box N. Alright. A card is chosen at random from box M and N respectively. Okay. So ambil daripada M and then ambil daripada N. Alright. Complete the table provided in the answer space with all the possible outcomes. Cuba tengok. Yang ni pun dia bagi contoh menggunakan table. Okay. Sebenarnya table ni lebih mudah awak nampak. And then you lebih mudah untuk you list all the possible outcomes for the combined events. Okay. Alright. So, here you have box M and box N. Alright. Box M, there are 2 cards, 77 and 91. Alright. Box N, RIA. Okay. So, the possible outcome. Okay. Just complete the table by your own. Okay. Can you do it? Alright. Okay. So, here is 77I. Here is 77A. Alright. Here 91R, 91I, and here is 91A. Okay. Selesai question A. Alright, selesai question A. And then question B. Question B. By listing all the possible outcomes, okay. Baca soalan dia betul-betul. By listing all the possible outcome, calculate the probability. Okay. Sini kena hati-hati ya. Because the question asks you by listing. So you cannot use the formula. Formula yang mana tu? Yang addition rule dengan multiplication rule tu. Okay. So you have to list. Okay. Okay. Cikgu tunjukkan macam mana nak jawab this question. Alright. A card is chosen. Blah, 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 ni. Calculate the probability that a number card with sum of 8 digit greater than 10. Okay. Maksudnya 77. Okay. 77. Kita tambah kedua-dua digit tu. 7 plus 7 is 14. Greater than 10. Okay. Alright. This one. Okay. 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. But if you 91, 9 plus 1 is 10. Question asks you greater than 10. Not greater than and equals to 10. Okay. Hati-hati di sini. Alright. So, yang di sini hanya boleh ambil 77 sahaja. Okay. 77. Okay. For the event A. That fulfill the event A. And then, and. Okay. Tengok word yang dia guna. Cikgu akan highlight word yang dia guna. And. Apa cikgu cakap tadi? Dan. Okay. Intersection. Dan. Intersection. Okay. And. A consonant card are chosen. What is consonant? Consonant is selain daripada A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Selain daripada A, E, I, O, U. Means that B, C, D. Tapi di sini apa dia? R and I. Okay. Here you have R, I. Okay. Tapi kena listing. Okay. You have to list. You have to list. So, sum of digits ataupun kita letak A lah nah, panjang sangat je aku nak tulis. Event A. Event A is 77. Okay, 77. Okay. Alright. And then yang ni dalam kotak M. Okay, in box M. Event B, okay, probability event A. Probability event A is 1/2. Why 1/2? Kenapa 1/2? Because in box M, okay. Okay, in box M, okay, tapi kejap kita tengok. Okay, ni kita dah listing dah sebenarnya. Oh, dah listing dah kan question A tadi dah ada jawapan. Okay, so kita tengok 77 dengan R sajalah. RI pasal apa? Amboi. Okay. Alright, sorry. Consonant R saja. Okay, consonant tu R sahaja. Okay. So di sini cuma satu saja yang ada, kan? Satu saja yang ada yang fulfill the both condition. And ni kena fulfill both condition 77 and R. So here the listing is 77 I. Siapa cikgu I? Yang ni. Okay. This one. Okay, 77 R. Ish. 77 R. Okay. So, cuma ada satu sahaja yang fulfill. Okay. So, the probability for example PA lah. Okay. PA is equals to 1/. How many possible outcomes total? There are berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 1/6. Probability for question A, okay, sum of digit greater than 10 and a consonant card are chosen. Okay, so 1/6. Okay, can you follow? Alright, now we go through question Roman 2. A number card with the sum of its digit greater than 10. So, yang fulfill is 77. Masih lagi 77 because 7 plus 7 greater than 10. And the word here is or, atau. Okay, atau. Okay, or a consonant card are chosen. Means that, okay, right, consonant is R. Okay, tapi di sini, okay, digunakan or. Maksudnya salah satu mesti ada. Either one mesti ada. Either 77, okay, or the consonant must have in the outcomes. Okay, so you list, okay, B, this one I tulis B, okay, B 77 R, okay, or because union okay, salah satu mesti ada, either 77 or consonant. So yang ada 77, kita listkan semua yang ada 77. 77 I, 77 A. Okay, because dia kata or. Okay, so either one must fulfill. Alright, and then consonant. Which one is consonant? R is the consonant. So termasuklah 91 R. 91 R. Okay, so the probability for this event is, okay, 4. Okay, because yang fulfill ada 4. 77R, 77I, 77A, 91R. Okay, so 4 over 6. Okay, 4 over 6. Okay, and then you simplify. Okay, simplify 2 over 3. Okay, alright. This one is the solution for question number 3. Okay. Alright, so now, okay, question number 4. Okay, look at question number 4. Okay, tarik nafas dulu. Tarik nafas dulu. Okay. Sebab bila probability ni, probability for combined events, awak kena read carefully and you have to understand what's the condition is it. Okay, right. Okay. So Geography Association of SMK Cerdik organizing a visit to Kota Kinabalu. The probability that Mandy and Gita join this group are 4 over 7 and 9 over 14. Okay, so 4 over 7, this one Gita. Sorry, bukan Gita. Mandy. Mandy join. Okay, Mandy join. Probability to Mandy join. Okay, and then 9 over 14, the probability for Gita join. Okay, right. So, probability Mandy not join is 3 over 7. Okay, the complement. You learn the simple probability, you learn about complement, is it? Okay, so probability Mandy will not join is 3 over 7. Probability Gita not join is 5 over 14. Alright. Okay, the question, complete the tree diagram below. Next, calculate the probability. Apa yang dia nak ni? Only one of Mandy or Gita join. Okay, maksudnya salah seorang. Probability only one. Dia pun dia bergaduh lah kot, kan? Maksudnya Mandy join, Gita tak join. Alright. Okay. Only one of Mandy or Gita join. Right. Cuba completekan dulu this tree diagram. Cuba completekan dulu the tree diagram. Okay. Macam mana nak completekan? Macam mana nak completekan? Okay. Alahai, ini senang saja. Okay. So Mandy join is Okay, M is for Mandy join. M complement, M apostrophe itu means that Mandy not join. So Mandy join is 4 over 7. Okay, Mandy not join is 3 over 7. Okay, and then Gita. Okay, G. Okay, Gita join is 9 over 14. And Gita not join berapa? 5 over 14. Okay, sama je yang ni. Gita join 9 over 14. Gita not join 5 over 14. Okay, the kesudahan. Okay, kesudahannya apa? Kesudahannya ialah combine lah. You combine. M, G. Okay, M, G. M, G complement. Mandy join, Gita not join. And then here is Mandy not join, Gita join. Ni dua-dua tak join. Dua-dua tak P. Right. So, yang kita nak kena calculate the probability that only one of Mandy or Gita, salah seorang. Okay. So, yang dua-dua join boleh tak? Tak boleh ambil. Okay. Kemudian Mandy join, Gita join. Gita tak join. Okay. Boleh ambil. Mandy tak join, Gita join. Boleh ambil. Dua-dua tak join tak boleh lah. Dia nak only one Mandy or Gita. Salah seorang kena ada. Alright. Okay. Okay. So, how to calculate the probability? Okay. Kita tengok sini. Okay. Kita ada here is Mandy join and Gita not join. So how to get the probability? Mandy join and. Tadi cikgu dah kata and. Okay. Kalau dalam bahasa is darab. D. Okay. Alright. And is done. Or say done. D is darab. Okay. Okay, Mandy join and Gita not join. So, you will multiply. Okay, you will multiply the probability. Probability mana? Mandy join 4 over 7. Gita not join is 5 over 14. So, here will be 4 over 7 times 5 over 14. Ini satu. Untuk Mandy join, Gita not join. Okay. Dan satu lagi probability untuk Mandy not join. Okay. Yang ni Mandy not join, Gita join. Okay. So, N. Cikgu sebut tadi N. So, the probability is 3 over 7 N darab. Okay. 9 over 14. Okay, now you have two possible. Okay, two possible outcome here. Okay, probability M, G complement, Gita tak join, or atau. Okay, or is atau T tambah. Okay, tambah. Tak nampak kalkulator lindung sekejap ya. Okay, tambah. Okay. So, okay, atau or probability yang kedua tu apa? Mandy not join, Gita join. Okay, or atau tambah. Cikgu ulang lagi sekali. Okay, so tadi kita dah cikgu dah tunjuk, okay, yang di atas tadi. Probability Mandy join, Gita not join is 4 over 7 times 5 over 14. Or atau tambah. Okay, so add. Okay, probability 3 over 7 times 9 over 14. Okay, Alright, and then dia awak guna je lah calculator. Guna saja calculator. Okey, kita try tengok calculator. Tekan calculator. Mana calculator? Okey, tekan calculator. Okey. 4/7. 4/7. And then times 5/14. Tutup bracket. Plus 3/7 times 9/14. 9/14. 14. Okay. So, answer is 47/98. Okay. 47/98. Tak payahlah awak susah-susah nak simplify kat sini. Awak tekan saja calculator. Okay. Alright. Nah, asalkan you show your workings. Okay. Show your workings. Okay. You get it. Okay. Sikit lagi ya. Sikit lagi kita cuba tengok. Okay. Yang ni contoh yang menggunakan multiplication. And then ada juga addition. Okay. I think this one is the last question I will discuss with you. Okay, the rest you will do by your own, okay, and get the answer from your teacher. Alright? Okay. Question number 5. 2 prefects are chosen at random from Form 5 prefect. From 5 prefect. Cikgu pun baca silap dah. Okay. 2 prefects are chosen at random from 5 prefect. There are 5 prefects. So this one is the NS. Okay. Where 3 of them are Form 4. So untuk this one Form 4 ada berapa? There are 3. Okay. And 2 are from Form 5. So this one is N Form 5. Ada berapa? Ada 2. Okay. Draw a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes. Then calculate the probability that both prefect chosen are same form. Ni macam mana ni? Okay. You have apa? You have Form 4 and Form 5. Okay. What is the probability to get Form 4? What is the probability to get Form 4 is 3/5. Kenapa 3/5? Because there are 3 Form 4 and the total prefect is 5. Okay. And Form 5, 2/5. Okay. This one for the first selection when you choose first students. Okay. And then buat dia punya branch dia tu. Okay. Untuk the second. Okay. Second punya. Okay. Untuk the second one. Okay. Second one either get Form 4 or Form 5. This one Form 4, Form 5. Okay. So this one the tree diagram. Okay. Then you write the probability. For the second time you want to choose the students. Okay, Form 4 dah berkurang. The number of Form 4 students, okay, reduce from 3 students kepada 2. Kenapa reduce? Because dah pilih dah for the first time. Okay, so for the second time, it will be, this one example of dependent event. Okay, because the second event is based on what happened in the first event. Alright. Okay, so this one will be 2/4. Kenapa 2/4? Because now the total number yang tinggal, okay, tinggal 4 students. 4 prefects yang tinggal sebab dah pilih 1 tadi. Okay, and then this one 2/4 for the Form 5, second times. Okay, this one, okay, kalau first tadi pilih Form 5, second times dapat Form 4, total number of Form 4 is 3/4. Okay, here will be 1/4. Sebab tadi dah pilih seorang tu form 5. Form 5 ada 2 orang sahaja. So dah pilih seorang, tinggal seorang. Okay, so now you list the keseluruhan punya outcomes dia. Okay, the ordered pair. Form 4, Form 4. Form 4, Form 5. Form 5, Form 4. This one, Form 5, Form 5. So, inilah dia, the tree diagram. Okay, this one is the tree diagram. Okay, selesai untuk question yang pertama yang dia minta draw a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes. Inilah jawapannya. Okay, alright. Okay, and then the question asks you, then calculate the probability that both prefect are chosen from the same form. Dari tingkatan yang sama, from the same form. So yang mana yang fulfill this condition? Form 4, Form 4, Form 5, Form 5. Okay. Both prefect are chosen from the same form. Okay. Macam mana nak tulis dia punya probability? Form 4 and Form 4, you have to multiply and darab. Okay. Okay, so Form 4, Form 4. Tengok yang cikgu dah highlight tu. 3/5 times 2/4. Okay, this one is, okay, cikgu tulis dulu. Okay. Apa yang awak nak kena buat tu? Form 4, Form 4, probability Form 4, Form 4, or probability Form 5, Form 5. Okay, so Form 4, Form 4 kena darab because Form 4 and Form 4. Okay, 3/5 times. 5 cikgu tak cantik. Okay, 3/5 times apa tu? 2/4. Or atau tambah. Okay, probability to get Form 5 and Form 5. Form 5, 2/5 and Form 5 and. So, kena darab. Multiply. 2/5 times 1/4. Okay, tak payahlah dah congak-congak. Okay, tekan kalkulator. Jom tekan kalkulator. Mana kalkulator? Okay. So, letak bracket 3/5 times 2/4. Mana dia? Tak keluar. Times 2/4 plus 2/5 times 1/4. Okay. Terus dapat answer. Berapa? Berapa answer? 2/5. Okay. Okay. Itu je. Combined event, probability of combined event, awak kena fahamkan, baca daripada huruf yang pertama sampailah titik yang terakhir. Okay. Alright. And then identify. Is it you have to add or you have to multiply? Okay. Cikgu ulang balik. Kalau dia guna and. Okay. Cikgu tulis kat sini. Kalau dia guna and. Dalam bahasa is done. Okay. Dia melibatkan, it involve intersection. D is for darab. So, you have to multiply. Okay. Or, okay, kadang-kadang dia guna perkataan or. Okay. In the situation or. In bahasa is atau. Atau is union. Okay, when you want to list the possible outcome, list the union. Alright. Kalau nak gunakan rule, okay, ataupun operation, which operation you want to use, Either you want to multiply or add. Okay, di sini tips dia kat sini lah. Dan darab atau tambah. Okay, ni mudah sahaja kalau awak faham that situation. Okay, alright. So cikgu rasa soalan yang lain-lain tu, okay, awak cuba by your own. Okay, kenal pasti. Okay, contoh cikgu pergi sikit je lagi. The probability comes in passing his physics and chemistry 0.858 and 0.42. So this one is for physics, this one is for chemistry. Calculate the probability that Kamseng both pass both. Both means N. Kan? N. Both. Kedua-duanya. Bila N, okay, N, okay, atau dan, okay, so didarab. Okay, so you multiply lah both probability. Okay, okay, untuk A. Alright, for B, Kamseng pass only one test. Means that physics pass. Okay, physics pass. Kemudian and chemistry not pass. Okay, so cari probability yang ni. Physics, dia PP pula kan. Okay, kita guna F dengan K lah. Okay, this one F, this one K. Untuk supaya nak bezakan P probability tu. Okay, physics pass and chemistry not pass. Or, okay, or probability physics not pass, chemistry and chemistry pass. Okay, so kat situ tengok intersection darab. Okay, probability-nya. Okay, probability physics pass is 0.58 times not pass for the chemistry. The balance, berapa balance? Cikgu tekan calculator sekejap. Balance is 1 minus 0.42. Ni pun nak tekan calculator. Not pass 0.58 for the chemistry. Or is what? Atau. So tambah. Okay. Plus. Physics not pass. Physics not pass. Tekan lagi lah calculator. Ada kemudahan kan? 1 minus 0.58. 0.42. And chemistry pass. N is darab. Chemistry pass is 0.42. Lepas tu tekan je lah calculator nak dapat answer. Okay. Semudah itu sahaja. Okay. So that's all. Okay. The rest you can discuss with your teacher. Okay. Okay. So I hope I can this session boleh membantulah. Okay. Help you to do revisions and boleh score in mathematics. Okay, lulus. InsyaAllah awak boleh lulus. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.